In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to align all the texts in Outlook. We'll walk through the exact clicks to control how your email text lines up, and I'll share a few helpful tips so your message looks clean and professional from start to finish. Begin by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook site to open your mailbox. If you're taken to a sign-in page, continue into your account so you land in your inbox. Once you're in, click New Mail. This opens the Compose window on the right or in a new pane, depending on your layout. Go ahead and type your message. It helps to write a few lines or a short paragraph so you can clearly see how each alignment option affects the look of your text. To access the alignment tools, look at the Formatting toolbar in the Compose window and click the three dots at the top. This expands the additional formatting menu. Hover your cursor over a line. You'll see four choices appear: Align Left, Align Center, Align Right, and Justify. Here's what each one does and when to use it. Align Left is the standard for most emails, especially business or professional messages. It keeps your text easy to read and consistent with common email etiquette. Align Center places your text in the middle, which can be useful for short headings, event titles, or simple announcements you want to stand out. Align Right pushes your text to the right edge. It's handy for dates, small notes, or elements like a stylized signature line. Justify evens both the left and right edges of your paragraph, giving it a neat block look similar to printed documents. Keep in mind that Justify can introduce extra spacing between words, particularly on narrow screens. So use it when a clean, formal appearance matters more than compact spacing. If you want to change only part of your message, highlight that specific text before hovering over a line and choosing an option. If nothing is selected, Outlook applies the alignment to the entire message area. You can switch between options at any time. Simply hover over a line again and pick a different one. And if a change doesn't look right, use Undo to revert and try another choice. That's all there is to it. You searched for Outlook, opened a new message, typed your content, clicked the three dots, hovered over a line, and chose the alignment that best fits your email. With these tools, you can quickly give your messages a polished, intentional layout every time.